Hi guys! Hi! So, Audrey and I will be vlogging for this YouTube.
Yeah, we'll be your vloggers for the day. So we're currently at waterfront. Hold on, let me talk like fancy. So guys, we're currently at waterfront and
We're having snacks right now.
yeah, we're eating what is it we're eating?
We're having soda and what?
And cupcakes.
Yes.
Yeah. If any of my mutual friends see this, yeah.
Hi. No one's.
I thought it was a photo.
It's a vlog. She's vlogging.
Wait, I want to come back down. Look at me. Woo! Okay, let's go.
This is the last one.
It's in the morning. We're now heading towards the mall for lunch, which is going to be pizza.
Yeah.
We've just... Oh, why does it keep going like that? We just...
Hold it that way.
Yeah.
The other way.
And we got our medals. Show your medal.
Oh wait, mine too.
But Esther did 10K.
Yeah, she did 10 kilometers and she ran the whole way.
Yeah,
She
and
got
then
in like a prettier medal.
yeah, I'm going to
Yeah.
shed mine like pure gold.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. We're in the cab going to the mall. So see you there. So we've reached into, we're in Two Rivers now. We're next to Pizza Inn, which is where we're getting our food. We're waiting for everyone else to reach. They haven't reached.